Home to over half of the world's population, the Asia-Pacific stands at the defining crossroad. As climate risks grow and biodiversity declines, the moment demands bold action and breakthrough innovation. Guided by the motto, Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam, One Earth, One Family, One Future, and strengthened by the visionary leadership of our Honorable Prime Minister, Shri Narendra Modi, India is transforming ancient wisdom into modern action, uniting nations to build a resilient and sustainable future. With this vision, building on Unispace 82, the UN General Assembly Resolution 4572/1990 called for regional centers in developing countries to bridge advanced space capabilities with sustainable development on the ground. Recognizing India's leadership in space science and education, the United Nations Office for Outer Space Affairs designated India as the host for the Center for Space Science and Technology Education in Asia and the Pacific, CSTEAP. Founded on November 1st, 1995, with support from 10 Asia-Pacific nations and hosted by India's Department of Space, CSTEAP was created to develop human resources across the Asia-Pacific region for sustainable development through structured education and professional training in space science and technology. Its UN affiliation was formalized in May 1996 through United Nations Office for Outer Space Affairs. Over the last 3 decades, CSTEAP has become a global center of excellence driven by 18 member nations and UN partners. Chaired by the Secretary, Department of Space, and Chairman ISRO, it blends India's leadership with strong multilateral collaboration to harness space for sustainable development. CSTEAP's headquarters is located within the campus of the Indian Institute of Remote Sensing, IIRS in Dehradun, a serene city nestled in the Doon Valley at the foothills of the Himalaya. From this academic hub, the center's training and educational activities extend across India's premier space institutions, including the Space Applications Center and Physical Research Laboratory in Ahmedabad, the National Remote Sensing Center in Hyderabad, and the U.R. Rao Satellite Center in Bengaluru. The Indian Institute of Remote Sensing provides infrastructure, administrative and academic support to CSTEAP, with its director also serving as the director of CSTEAP and senior IIRS ISRO scientists in key roles. Host courses offering faculty, lecture halls, labs, accommodation and hands-on training. At its core, CSTEAP's mission is to build national and regional capacity in space science, technology and applications. Each year, the center runs 3 postgraduate diploma programs and 7 to 10 short-term courses, training around 20 participants per course, mainly government officials from Asia-Pacific countries. These programs span critical and forward-looking domains, including remote sensing and GIS, satellite communications and GNSS, satellite meteorology and global climate, space weather and atmospheric sciences, satellite data acquisition and processing, space law and policy, small satellite development and mission design, and advanced geocomputation and data science using artificial intelligence and machine learning. Academic rigor is matched with practical relevance in the education programs of CSTEAP. Participants engage in hands-on training, real-world case studies, and close interaction with subject matter experts from ISRO and the Department of Space. Students enrolled in postgraduate diploma programs can further extend their learning into a master's degree through a one-year research dissertation conducted in their home country or partly at CSTEAP, ensuring that the knowledge gained translates directly into national capacity building. Even during the COVID-19 pandemic period, CSTEAP delivered online courses and global MOOCs, especially in disaster risk reduction, while supporting UN initiatives through UN Spider missions, workshops and curriculum development. To date, CSTEAP has trained 4,380 participants from 38 Asia-Pacific countries, along with 98 participants from countries outside the region. The Centre's strong commitment to inclusivity is reflected in its Nari Shakti initiative, under which women constitute approximately 31% of total participants. CSTEAP alumni now occupy senior leadership roles across the Asia-Pacific, driving space-based solutions for governance, disaster management, agriculture, urban planning, and climate resilience. Their contributions advance multiple UN Sustainable Development Goals, including climate action, sustainable cities, zero hunger, life on land, and disaster risk reduction, while many have established space science and technology courses in their countries, multiplying the Centre's regional impact. At the grassroots level, CSTEAP's influence touches the common citizen by empowering officials, educators, and policymakers. The Centre enables better disaster preparedness, improved agricultural planning, smarter cities, and more resilient societies. Looking ahead, CSTEAP stands poised for its next phase of growth, with plans to introduce application-driven courses in collaboration with premier Indian academic institutions. Through strong partnerships across India and the Asia-Pacific, including Andhra University, Government of Andhra Pradesh, and GISTDA, Thailand, and specialized off-campus training, the Centre empowers officials with skills and expertise that nourish professional growth and regional development. From vision to action, CSTEAP harnesses space science and technology as a powerful catalyst for sustainable development and global cooperation, with an unwavering commitment to uniting nations, empowering talent, and advancing innovation. CSTEAP is shaping a resilient and inclusive future benefiting the Asia-Pacific and beyond.